Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Google Pixel phone's settings back to factory default. So we're going to cover what that's exactly going to entail in a little bit. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll near the bottom of this list where it says System and go ahead and select that tile. And then you want to scroll down again and select the Reset Options button near the bottom, or actually it's at the bottom of that list. Select the Erase All Data Factory Reset option at the bottom of this list here. And this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. Select Erase All Data. And now to confirm, you will be erasing all of your personal information and downloaded apps. You cannot undo this action. Select Erase All Data to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.